Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unblur OkCupid likes. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you're logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Here we are in the Discover page right now. If you are interested in any profile, you can like them by swiping it right. But in order to find out who likes you, you need to go to the like section over here at the bottom left corner, tap on it. But in this page, everything is blurred. So how you can unblur this OkCupid likes? As you can see, it's written over here, you need to upgrade to OkCupid Premium to see people who already liked you. So these are the people who liked you, but you need to upgrade to the OkCupid Premium. In order to do that, you can simply tap on any profile. And here you can see the OkCupid Premium subscription options. You can choose from your preferred option and tap on continue, and you'll need to provide the payment methods. You can add your payment methods and follow the instructions. And that's how you can subscribe to the premium version of OkCupid, which will eventually unblur the OkCupid likes. So you can see people who liked you or your profile. That's it. That's how you can unblur OkCupid likes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.